Inside this factory, production never stops. Every minute, thousands of bottles begin their journey.
From raw minerals to crystal-clear bottles, every step happens inside this incredible factory. Before glass can exist, every ingredient must meet strict quality standards. Tiny impurities can weaken an entire production batch. Every ingredient follows a carefully measured path.
Precision begins long before the furnace ignites.
Uniform mixing ensures every bottle behaves exactly the same. Continuous batch mixers operate around the clock.
This is where ordinary minerals prepare to become molten glass. Production never stops because the furnace never sleeps. At extreme temperatures, sand becomes liquid glass. Every bottle begins as a river of glowing liquid.
Every glowing drop contains exactly enough glass for one bottle. Gob weight determines the final bottle dimensions. This is the first moment the bottle begins to take shape.
Air, not hands, creates the perfect bottle.
The bottle now exists, but it's still far too hot to touch.
Detecting defects early saves thousands of bottles later. Automated inspection detects microscopic defects in milliseconds.
Controlled cooling removes internal stress and strengthens every bottle. Annealing prevents spontaneous glass breakage.
The glass has cooled, strengthened, and is finally ready for precision finishing.
Before the bottles cool completely, an invisible shield is applied to protect every surface. A second coating helps bottles survive millions of movements during packaging and transport. Every bottle is inspected faster than the human eye could ever manage.
A difference smaller than a human hair can cause rejection.
Every bottle must withstand pressure long before reaching customers. Strength isn't guessed, it's measured. Random sampling ensures consistent production quality. Hidden stress today can become broken glass tomorrow. Polarized inspection detects microscopic internal stress. Quality never interrupts production. It works alongside it. Precision keeps millions of bottles moving without collision.
Every bottle is backed by thousands of live data points.
These machines never stop shaping molten glass.
Perfect bottles begin with perfectly maintained molds. Proper mold lubrication extends tooling life dramatically. Even maintenance is engineered for maximum efficiency. Every bottle depends on the accuracy of its mold. Automation extends far beyond the production line itself.
Invisible air shapes every bottle with extraordinary precision.
Stable temperatures create consistent bottles. Temperature control directly affects bottle dimensions.
Preventing problems is always better than fixing them.
Every machine, every sensor, and every worker contributes to one remarkable goal: producing millions of perfect glass bottles every single day.
Every bottle receives a permanent identity that allows complete traceability.
Even at incredible speeds, every movement remains perfectly synchronized. Thousands of sensors keep the factory operating with remarkable precision. Nothing reaches customers without passing one last inspection. Modern vision systems exceed 99% defect detection accuracy. After an incredible journey, every bottle is finally ready to leave production. Every bottle is cleaned one final time before packaging.
Precision packaging begins with perfect organization.
Packaging protects the bottles long before they reach store shelves. Modern packaging lines exceed 100 packages per minute. Every shipment carries complete production information. Barcode verification systems approach 100% read accuracy. Even the packaging must meet strict quality standards. Hundreds of bottles become one carefully balanced shipment. The final layer of protection prepares the bottles for their journey. The final layer of protection prepares the bottles for their journey.
Production is complete, but the journey has only just begun.
Sophisticated logistics ensure every shipment reaches the right destination.
One final inspection confirms everything meets factory standards.
From raw sand to finished bottles, this is manufacturing on an extraordinary scale.
By tomorrow, these bottles will begin serving millions of people across the country. Modern logistics networks, from ordinary sand to a perfectly engineered glass bottle, every furnace, every machine, and every skilled worker contributed to this remarkable transformation.